This VHF radio just works. Why the standard Horizon GX1800G is blowing boaters' minds. Ever feel like your marine gear is more of a hassle than a help? You're not alone. We've all been there, juggling sketchy handhelds, fumbling with outdated controls, and wasting hours wrestling with clunky systems that just can't keep up. It's frustrating. You're out on the water to escape the chaos, not fight with tech that fails when it matters most. Missed messages, failed GPS locks, and a dash crowded with clunky gear. Sound familiar? You're stuck in a loop of unreliable tools and wasted time. That's not freedom. That's a recipe for stress. And the cost? It's way more than inconvenience. With tight windows to fish, weather shifting fast, and deadlines for docking or catching tides, poor communication tech becomes a real liability. Miss one critical call, and boom, you're dealing with rescue coordination nightmares or ruined plans. Stress creeps in, focus fades, even seasoned captains start second-guessing. Every delay chips away at your confidence and flow. Burnout on the water? Yeah, it's real, and it sucks the joy right out of every voyage, all because your gear can't keep pace. But what if there was a fix? Say hello to the standard Horizon GX1800G fixed mount VHF with GPS, a total game changer that ditches the drama. This ultra-compact beast delivers 25 watts of crystal-clear power, built-in 66-channel GPS, and Class D DSC, all packed into a design that's just 3.3 inches deep. No extra GPS wiring, no clunky setup. Install it, power it up, and you're instantly navigating with waypoints, compass screens, and MOB alerts at your fingertips. It's second station ready, waterproof, IPX8, NMEA 0183 compatible, and wrapped in a slick dot matrix display with day and night modes. Think of it as the no BS built-to-last upgrade your dash has been begging for. The GX1800G isn't just a radio, it's your reliable co-pilot. It slays noise with a clear voice mic, keeps you in sync with 10 preset channels, and helps you dominate multitasking with dual/triple watch modes. Want proof? West Marine users say it locks GPS in under 10 seconds. Wholesale marine fans rave about the flawless install and second station power. One guy on Seabrats said it's everything a small boat needs, without the headache. We're talking streamlined workflows, laser focus, and total peace of mind when weather turns or the unexpected hits. Add the Ram 4 remote mic and control it from your flybridge or cabin. Seriously, what else do you need? AIS? Meh. You want simple, effective, and bulletproof.
Still reading?
Then you know you need this. Don't wait until you're stuck in a storm with a useless radio. Buy the GX1800G now. Inventory is tight, and this isn't some hype gadget. It's trusted by thousands who refuse to compromise on safety. This is your moment to gear up smart. Secure yours today. Limited stock, no regrets. Upgrade your ride, reclaim your freedom, and feel the difference from the very first call. You've worked too hard to settle for less. Act now and sail with confidence, every time.